So today we are going to be making an easy and low oil version of this Chinese and Korean favorite. And of course it's Jajangmyeon, these black bean noodles that are kind of sweet and savory. I've paired it up with rice noodles this time just so that it's a little bit less heavy. So I have no doubt that you guys are all going to enjoy this recipe. So I'm gonna start off by marinating the vegan meat crumbles first for right around 15 minutes. And I'm gonna be using some minced garlic, some minced ginger, soy sauce, rice wine, and then I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of potato starch. You can do cornstarch as well, and that's just to prevent you from needing to use it as a thickener later. So I just do that all at the beginning for 15 minutes. So we're gonna keep this recipe low oil. In the original recipe, you would probably add a couple tablespoons of oil and kind of fry up the meat crumbles that way. But for us, just keep on adding in, 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Keep the mixture from getting too dry. Now you're cooking this on right around medium to medium high heat, so just a couple of minutes until the meat crumbles get caramelized, and then add in your onion. Now, if you're like me, you don't really like big pieces of onion in your jajangmyeon, I opted to put in either scallions or a little bit of leeks, just for a slightly lighter flavor and texture. So in a typical jajangmyeon recipe, you use oil to fry up that black bean paste that I just put in, and you just fry it up for a couple of minutes so that it develops the flavor. And I wanted to keep that part in there, but if you guys wanted to keep this, no oil, feel free to just put in that sauce and the water immediately. And I don't think it makes too big of a difference. But I'm adding in 1 cup of water to the fried up jajang paste, and then afterwards I'm going to cook this guy for right around 30 minutes until the mixture thickens up. So, final adjustment of flavor, I'm putting in about 1 teaspoon of demerara sugar just to balance out the flavors, because the black bean paste can sometimes have bitter undertones. Now, this is an area where you can definitely replace it with a sugar replacement. So something like a stevia would work really well, and then afterwards, salt for flavor, and you're ready to plate. So typically for a lighter style jajangmyeon, you will see some zucchini, you'll see some carrots. Sometimes they'll cook in white cabbage and put that right in as well. And afterwards you just mix in all of the sauce together, and a couple tablespoons will do because it's actually a very flavored sauce, and you just mix it all together. It's like a nice meaty ragu. Anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed that recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!